You intend to update the SCSI host bus adapter, HPA, firmware from the EFI Flash utility. You power on your server but you cannot locate the EFI Flash utility or firmware image files. What is the problem? Option A. A diskette must always be used to save an image of flash memory. Option B. The EFI Flash utility can only be used if it is located on the local hard drive. Option C. The EFI utility and firmware image files are not located in the root directory. Option D. At power up the CD-ROM containing the EFI utility was not in the CD-ROM drive. The correct answer is option D. Which command in the management processor, MP, controls access permission for an Integrity RX server? Option A. PS. Option B. SO. Option C. PC. Option D. SD. The correct answer is option B. Which information does the virtual front panel option display? Select 3. Option A. EFI state. Option B. LED state. Option C. Activity state. Option D. System state. Option E. Reboot options. Option F. Installed operating system console. The correct answer is option B, C, D. Where is the EFI user interface shell program stored on an Integrity RX server? Option A. System firmware. Option B. Hardware system BIOS. Option C. HP0-084 system partition. Option D. EFI system partition, ESP. The correct answer is option A.
Thank you.